Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tei Jae. We are here with Alipearl Hair in the building, and today I'm doing a install, but we're giving it more like a silky blowout type of vibe. So that's what I'm doing with this beautiful straight hair unit today. So I'm gonna unpackage it and give you guys the details. So this is a 13x4 HD lace frontal wig. She is 22 inches and the density is 180%. And as you know, it is straight hair. This is what she's looking like straight out the box, okay? I love how the knots are bleached and the lace come pre-plucked. Like, oh my goodness. They did that, okay? They did it. All right, guys, so I did off camera go ahead and wash and condition the hair. And I didn't include that because, of course, we all know how to do that. Now I'm going in with 𝚃𝚘𝚗𝚝 Silk Miracle Leave-In Conditioner, and like sis, this will have your hair silky AF. Now I do use this on my own natural hair, and it says soft, silky, everything. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and wring out the excess water from the hair. I like to do this before I blow dry it because it makes my blow drying time quicker. If you have a silk towel, you can use that, but I'm just using a cotton towel. Next, I'm going in with the Extra Strength Frizz Serum, and I'm gonna go ahead and place this in the hair as well, just so the hair can be super straight when I go in to blow dry, and it won't be frizzy and all of that stuff. So I'm going in with one of my faves, my Revlon blow dryer. Now I have two. I'm gonna be using two different ones in this video, so I'll have both of their names in the description section because sis, you guys don't know. But I turned this up to the highest heating setting, and I'm just gonna, go through and quickly blow dry it. All right, guys, so this is the next day. Actually, that same day or the day before, I had to go somewhere. So I actually straightened the hair off camera and put a hat on, and I was out the door. Now, the hair may look a little weighed down, okay? I got a little OD because I was rushing on the products, but I wasn't going to rewash it to do this part. Like I said, I didn't want to cut the lace off or anything, so I just threw on a hat and it was out the door. Okay, so let's just get into this lace. This lace is HD, but not only is it like HD, it's transparent. And it's transparent without that tint. Nobody got time for that white tint. So I didn't have to put any cream foundation underneath the lace because it's didn't need it. Okay, it melted right in with the contour and the foundation that I already had on my forehead. So I'm just cutting off that excess lace, and we're gonna get into laying it down. Now I'm just going in with my Ebin lace adhesive. I believe this is the Supreme version, and I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna take one layer, and then I'm gonna push it back into the hairline, and then I'm gonna go in and put another layer. I want to wear this for a few days or get the maximum wear out of this unit, so I am gonna double up layers, and then we're gonna go ahead and add some heat and wait until it is tacky. So now that is tacky, we can go ahead and pull it down and watch the melt. Do you guys see how this lace just literally disappeared into my forehead? And I do not, let me repeat, I do not have that line of demarcation that I normally have. So Alipearl, what is tea? Because this lace is the bomb, okay? It is amazing. So as you guys see, I'm just going into reinforced to make sure that that lace is laid down, and you can use your fingers, your nails, and or the back of your comb, just to make sure the lace is laid super duper flat. I do cut off any excess lace that I don't want to lay down because it's not needed. So yeah, I do apologize for that one finger that's missing a nail and my comb that's just a little bit dirty, okay? But I'm gonna go ahead and continue to secure down both sides doing the same exact process. I know some of you guys are visual learners, so I'm just gonna be quiet and let you guys watch the rest. So I did let this sit after I fully installed it for 10 minutes, and boom, bam, and boom, boom. Now, I did forget to mention that I did go in just a little bit to, pluck it. Wasn't necessary, wasn't needed, but look how good this looked. If I'd known this looked good, I wouldn't even have done baby hairs at all, because for what? Like, for why? What? This lace is amazing. I don't care what nobody said. I've never had my lace blend like that. All right, guys, so y'all saying, why do you have baby hairs? If you didn't hear me what I just said, if I known it looked that good, I wouldn't have did no Berber hair. But anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a bust down middle part. And I'm just gonna go in with my Revlon blow dryer again. So like I said, this hair was previously straightened. So you probably can do this and have more of a salon blowout look without straightening it. But I just wanted it more slick, if that makes, like, silky. So my ODing of the products didn't, look that bad. It actually helped. But I'm gonna go in and cut in some layers, just so, I don't know, I feel like you can't have that blowout effect without layers. And this is another dryer. It's not the dryer I had in the beginning of the video, but this one actually has hard bristles mixed within it as well. So sis, I don't know what it do, but it get the job done. But as you guys can see, doing something with, like, the flick of the wrist so that the hair can wrap around it and just, blow out like a curl. I'm also clipping the ends, trimming them up so everything is nice and even, so that when I go through it with the dryer again, everything just folds and curls and blows out so nicely. So I really love this dryer. I really love this hair, okay? I love this hair. It came out so silky. This is pretty much it, y'all. Really simple, not hard at all. And I'm just going in to define the part. But yeah, that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. All information in regards to this hair will be listed down in the description section below. And until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.